Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, we can use textures from internet or we can create our textures with phone. It's very easy, just use phone and take photos. So after take photos, go to project, right click, import and file. We have 5 textures. We can import single images or we can choose image 1, and as you can see, importer sequence. Let's click checkbox and import. And now we have sequence 5 texture animation. Let's drag and drop into composition. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast. Let's fix it. Right click, go to time remapping and change time duration like this, and this is my keyframe speed. Let's choose less keyframe and move to right, and preview animation. Okay, this very slowly. Let's move to left more. Okay, that's good. So for loop animation, let's go to time icon, hold alt and click this icon. Go to play button, property and use loop out duration. And for down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, we have endless animation with only 2 keyframes. Let's move the level a bit for more speedily. Okay, that's really perfect. So in this time, let's go to text and right here, world. Let's click selection tool, change font size, and bold styles is better choice for like these animations. So in this time, let's go to FX presets, search effect displays and choose displacement map, use for text, and go to displacement map layer. Let's choose here texture. Let's see. Okay, choose this texture and height, and back to text, go to displacement FX and right here 10. And this 10. Also choose center map to stretch map to fit. Let's see. Not bad. We can do more better. Let's change this 25. Also this 25. Okay, that's good. And choose this texture. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate and move down. This is mask. And let's enable. Choose world text. And let's track matte to mask. And choose mask and go to click this icon. Now we can see texture inside the text. And go to FX presets, search effect labels. Use labels for this mask texture. And let's zoom to here. Change like this. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's create new background layer with solid layer. Add name background and color like this. Click OK. And move to behind of layers. Go to FX presets, search effect gradient ramp. Choose gradient ramp, use for background. And end color, let's use like this. Click OK. And swap colors, use ramp shape, radial ramp. And move to down these points. Okay, and ramp scatter, right here 100. And choose background, let's Ctrl D for duplicate, change name grid, and delete gradient ramp of grid. Go to FX presets, search effect grid, and use for grid layer. And change border 3. Size form width slider, change slider like this. And opacity. Okay, and we can choose blending mode. Let's choose soft light. Not bad. And search FX CC lens. Use CC lens for grid and change grid size. Nice. And now choose this text. Let's right click, go to layer styles and use bevel and emboss. Let's open bevel. And we can place settings for better results. For example, let's try size like this. Also softness. Okay, and angle. Not bad. And highlight opacity. Change color like this. And dipped. We can control dip like this. Okay, not bad. Let's preview animation. That's good. So we can choose this mask and press S, change scale for this style. Also texture, press S, change scale. Okay, this is better. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.